Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Cincom electric hand massager. It has a plastic-built outer body. Inside, you get a soft padding cushion and a fabric-covered interior so that your hands feel comfortable. On the back, there is a stand that provides a proper grip and stability when using it. On the top, you will find 4 buttons. The first button is the power button. A single press will turn it on, and another single press will turn it off. Next, in the middle, you will see a button with an M, which is the mode program button. There are 3 different modes: green light, soothing mode, blue light, vitality mode, purple light, relaxation mode. Just press the button to cycle through all 3 modes. On the side, there is an intensity button that lets you adjust intensity in 3 levels. Lowest intensity is shown with green light. Medium intensity shows blue light. High intensity shows purple light. Below that, you have a heat button. By default, heat remains off. It has 2 heat levels: single press, orange light, low-level heat. Press again, red light, high-level heat. So using these options, you can massage both your right and left hand easily. On the top, there is a Type-C charging port. In the package, you get an adapter and a Type-C cable. Charging time is about 2 hours, and after a full charge, it provides around 3 hours of backup. Check out the description box to get this awesome, cool gadget.
Imagine turning your phone screen into a big, wireless display. No cables, no setup hassles, just pure plug-and-play magic. Sounds unreal? Let me show you something that actually does it. Alright, today we're checking out a wireless screen projector from the brand LLano, model number S850. On the back of the box, we get all the usual details like the company's address and technical information. So now, let's open the box and see what's inside. As soon as we open it, the first thing we find is a user manual. Pretty standard stuff. Next, we have some cables. The first one is an HDMI to HDMI cable, a compact mini version. Then we have another one, a Type A to Type C cable. So in total, we get 2 cables, and now here's the main product itself. This is the core device, and when you pull it apart, it separates into 2 units. One side is labeled TX, and the other side says RX. Each part serves a specific function. The transmitter TX connects to your smartphone. The receiver, RX, connects to your monitor, TV, or display. Both units have power buttons and their respective ports. The TX has a Type-C male connector, while the RX has HDMI and Type-C female ports. There's also a small hanger loop for holding or attaching it somewhere, but that's pretty much it. The unboxing is simple and clean, nothing fancy or overcomplicated. Now, let's connect it and see how it works. The device itself is super lightweight, just about 50 grams in total. Separately, the units weigh around 23 grams and 27 grams, so it's easy to carry, not bulky at all, and can easily hang or stay connected anywhere without adding weight. Setting it up is also incredibly easy. First, take the transmitter and connect it to your smartphone's Type-C port. Once connected, you'll notice a small indicator light turning on. That means it's now in pairing mode. Next, take the receiver unit and plug it into your monitor or TV using the included HDMI cable. Don't forget to power the receiver using the Type-C power port. This step is important for it to work properly. Once you've done that, turn on your monitor or TV. Now, go to your smartphone. For Android, you'll find a cast or wireless display option. Turn it on, and your phone will automatically start searching for available devices. You'll soon see the LLano S850 appear in the list. Tap on it, and boom, it connects instantly. Now, whatever you do on your phone will mirror wirelessly onto your big screen, whether it's a monitor, projector, or TV. For example, let's open YouTube. As you can see, the video playing on my phone is now playing on the big screen in real time. No delay, no lag. You can pinch, zoom, navigate. Everything works smoothly and accurately. I'm currently using it on a preview monitor, but you can use it with your PC monitor, TV, or any HDMI display. The best part is that you don't need a long HDMI cable running across your desk. This thing does it completely wirelessly. And not just for videos, it also handles games flawlessly. For instance, I just launched a game and you can see it's running perfectly in sync on both my phone and the external display. The movement is precise, there's no input lag, and it feels incredibly responsive. So overall, this wireless screen projector is lightweight, portable, and super convenient. It delivers a flawless wireless transmission experience, great for movies, gaming, or even productivity tasks. When you're done, disconnecting is just as simple. Unplug the device or turn off screencasting from your phone, and it automatically disconnects. The LLano S850 works with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, making it a versatile wireless display solution for almost any setup. A truly impressive little gadget, simple, smart, and efficient.
Now, here's something a lot of people don't mention. You don't need to download any extra app to use this device. The LLano S850 actually supports AirPlay, Miracast, and DLNA right out of the box. So whether you're on Android, iPhone, Windows, or Mac, it just works instantly. No setup, no Wi-Fi connection, no complicated pairing. Just plug, connect, and start mirroring. That's what makes it way more convenient than those cheap projectors that force you to install extra software just to mirror your screen. Another impressive part is the wireless range. The LLano S850 can transmit your screen up to 10 to 15 meters without losing signal quality. That's almost half the length of an average living room. Even through light obstacles like furniture or partitions, the connection stays stable, and there's no noticeable lag or frame drop. So whether you're gaming, streaming, or giving a presentation across the room, it maintains a strong and consistent link between your phone and the display. So that's the LLano S850, a small but seriously impressive wireless screen projector that turns your smartphone into a big screen experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next review. And let me know in the comments, would you try a wireless projector like this? Or do you still prefer the classic HDMI cable setup?